My name is Sanjay Shrivastava and I joined Family Manav Rachna as the team leader of Manav Rachna University in November 2014, and I got my formal training in applied psychology and organizational management from University of Delhi. And for my postdoctoral research work, I went to US and I did my postdoctoral research work in the area of organizational management. Before joining Manav Rachna, I was working with a private university for almost 18 years, and in those 18 years I got this opportunity to work with different part of the world and establishing many more management and university campuses. And what I have acquired in these many years of almost my 2 decades of experience, that if we get best of the West and best of the East, then we are going to transform this country and our entire education system. Because it is the human behavior which is the key differentiator. So at the end of the day, if we are producing quality students and we give them quality teaching experience, then we are going to change this entire education system. At Manav Rachna University, if you look at our vision, mission and our strategic objectives, you will find that we promote innovation in our course curriculum, teaching pedagogy, and we create a research environment culture. When we are going to the lab, taking first-hand data and going to our classroom. As a teacher, if I am a mere storyteller, you will not grow to the next level. But if I take my researches and go to my classroom and add value to my students, they are going to be a very disciplined one. They are going to be an out-of-box leader of their work life, and we try to give that student-centric learning experience. This student-centric learning is one of the uniqueness of our Manav Rachna University. If you look at the QS benchmarking, they talk about 40% education should be focused on building academic reputation. And if you look at the word reputation, what people talk about you, if you talk about all the stakeholders, what they have to say about you and about your product. If they are loyal, committed and they behave well, for sure you are going to bring laurels for your university. Companies are going to compromise on bandwidth, but they will never compromise on attitude. So you will find in our entire value chain process in Manav Rachna University that we focus more on attitudinal change. We focus more on the softer side, which is the key differentiator. And as I said, whatever knowledge we teach, we always say work on ask principle, where knowledge is tertiary, skill sets are secondary and attitude is primary. So whatever knowledge you have acquired, if you can convert that knowledge with the right skill set and with positive attitude and the kind of value system we possess as an Indian, we are going to make a huge difference in the life at workplace and back at home. When we talk about the quality of the student learning experience on campus, we talk to our faculty member at length. We have a very powerful concept of Manav Rachna Academic Staff College. And every first and third Saturday of the month, all faculty members, we go back to our own labs where we reinvent ourselves. If I am a mere knowledge distributor, my life is limited. And if I am a knowledge generator, I am going to come back to my class with lots of smile, because I know within heart of my heart that I am adding value to my students, and I want same set of vibrance on the faces of our student. In our university, we focus on each and every student, because it is the philosophy of our founder Chancellor Dr. Bhalla that every student of Manav Rachna should become a success story. And while imparting this knowledge, we focus on few things. One of them, on the faculty front, that whether they are the knowledge generator or a knowledge distributor. We have mechanism through which we talk to them in the staff college, through their HODs and through their deans. We have various team leaders who talk to them and tell them, please grow. If you don't write 2 research papers in a year or 3 research papers in a year in a Scopus or listed journals, you are not adding value to yourself and to your university. And if you are not growing, your university will not grow. We create a win-win situation where both the parties are growing. The second part on students. Whatever knowledge base we have to enhance, and whether this student is specializing, say, in the area of mechanical or electronics or whatever chosen area you have, we are imparting knowledge. But we focus more on lab. You will find that more than 40% of our course is designed around lab. So whatever theory we teach to you, we bring you to lab. Experience, hands-on, there is no shortcut to this. And after this, as I said, A part, ASK, the attitudinal part. We have a very powerful corporate interface program where each and every individual is given a complete psychometric test. This battery of psychometric test tells you when you enter to the portals of Manav Rachna what competence you carried, and after every 6 months, year, with these progress review indicators, we have certain specific goals, and at the end of the day, major goal to achieve of in these 4 years. With these progress review indicators and specific plus major goals, we give the complete list to their mentors. We tell them to monitor them on fortnightly or on monthly basis, so that at the end of the day, we give individualized attention and coaching to all our students. And in the process, they become a different professional of tomorrow. Because our founder chancellor used to say one thing: we don't want to produce engineer, we want to produce a better engineer. अच्छा इंजीनियर बनाना है. When you say अच्छा इंजीनियर बनाना है, when you talk about this word अच्छा, the fragrance of this अच्छा reaches to you beforehand. And I am reminded by one of the shlokas of Lord of Shri. He said in chapter 15 that Shariram yat avapnoti yatyapi utkramanti ishvara grihitva ev etani sanyati vayugandhan ashyat. वायुगंधान आशियात, जैसे वायु गंध को एक स्थान से दूसरे स्थान तक ले जाती है. इफ वी आर प्रोड्यूसिंग गुड स्टूडेंट्स बिफोर दे ज्वाइन देयर कंपनी, देयर फ्रेग्रेंस विल रीच टू देम. वेदर quality of recruiters coming to our campus and all our students, they get top class placement. That is the ultimate test of any university. So some of the top recruiters, they come to campus, and if you look at the list, their names are Accenture, TCS, Maruti, JBM, Dell, and these companies, when they come, they say only one thing, that we are very happy with the attitude of your students. And when we teach all this, we always say that if you have the positive attitude, money will always chase you. Wherever you work, always take initiative and make a mark, so that some of the best responsible jobs are given to you. And always, while talking on these issues, we always say, Shraddhavan labhyate jnanam. We always talk to all our faculty members, to all our students, that if you lack faith and conviction in life, whatever knowledge you possess, nobody would ever value you. So always be faithful and have conviction that whatever I am studying is going to make a big difference in my life.